So this is a system of equation review for your Unit 5 GD-CAP. For M, we're going to write the system of equations using both totals. Miss Beatley bought some raisins at $1.69 per pound and some almonds at $1.99 a pound. To complete her trail mix, she paid $15.02 total for 8 pounds of the two types of items. My two totals here are $15.02 and 8 pounds. That's what I'm going to use to create my equations. 8 pounds is one of them, and $15.02 is the cost of the two items. The 8 pounds are made up of two items. We're talking about almonds and raisins. So I'm going to put R for raisins plus A for almonds. So raisins plus almonds is 8 pounds in total. And then we're talking about cost. So how much does it cost for the raisins? In this case, it's $1.69 for the raisins. And it's $1.99 for the almonds. That's how I represent the two totals for the situation. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use elimination. You have this in your reference book. I'm going to create a zero pair by multiplying the whole equation. I am going to go ahead and eliminate my raisins, which is $1.69. I need it to be a negative, so I'm going to multiply the whole equation by negative $1.69 because these two have an imaginary one, so it's going to be easy to multiply. I'm going to show my arrows for distributing. And below in red, I'm going to go ahead and write the new equation that I created by multiplying the negative 169. And like I tell you all the time, you can use a calculator, especially for the decimals. There we go. So I'm going to do $1.69 negative times the 8 pounds. And I'm going to get negative $13.52. And I have two equations now where I can use the elimination method. I'm going to eliminate my R that I created as a zero pair. And I'm going to work straight down. In B, it tells you to work, but if you work right here where A is, it's fine as long as I see the complete total because you do need room for your reasoning. When I subtract $1.99 from $1.69, I'm going to get 30 cents. A equals, I'm going to have $15.02 minus $13.52. It's $1.50 when you do the subtraction. You can always check that with your calculator. I am going to divide by 30 cents to do the inverse to get A by itself. If I use my calculator, please be sure to put your decimal in and divide by 0.30. That's going to give me 5. That means that Miss Beatley bought 5 pounds of almonds. So the question here says, how many pounds of raisins and almonds did she buy? Well, if I take my original equation, R plus A equals 8 pounds, we know that raisins plus almonds is 8 pounds. Well, in this case, R plus A, which I'm going to plug in as 5 since we found it, equals 8. If I do the inverse on each side, I'm going to find out R equals 3. In this case, I can write a sentence of reasoning. Miss Beatley bought 5 pounds of almonds and 3 pounds of raisin for the trail mix. I wrote the two equations, I solved them, and I wrote a sentence of reasoning. Be sure you just watch the decimals. Using a calculator makes it a little bit easier. Just to kind of zoom out, this is what it should look like in total. These are on your GD cap.